my student, welcome to a chemistry lesson. What are we going to discuss in this lesson? We are going to discuss about flame tests. Flame tests of some ions, especially the cations. So my student, welcome. And the whistle is just there to awaken you, to alert you from time to time. So welcome to the lesson. Today we are going to discuss about flame tests. And before we start the experiment, we are going to test for the presence of potassium ions, sodium ions, calcium ions, and copper ions. So we will be confirming from our table here where we have the observations and the inferences. So straight away I'll take you through the cations that I have here with me before we start. So let me start from my left here. This is a solution containing copper 2 ions. It is blue in color, you can see. Then this is a solution containing calcium ions. You can see it is labeled there. Then this is a solution containing sodium ions. We have the labels, you can see. Then this is a solution containing potassium ions. So what am I going to do? When you look at my left here, you can see a non-luminous flame of the Bunsen burner. And also I have the glass rods with me. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take a glass rod, then I dip in a particular solution, then I hit on the Bunsen burner flame. So for you is just to confirm each solution or each cations will produce which color of flame. Is it okay? So without wasting time, let me start this simple exercise. So this is a solution containing potassium ions. So I dip a glass rod into that solution that way. Then I stir. I just stir like this. Then thereafter, I have to hit on the Bunsen burner flame. So my student, watch and see which flame will be produced. This is lilac flame or purple flame. You can focus and see. You can focus and see the lilac or purple flame. Lilac or purple flame. Is it okay? So you have found out that, you have observed that for potassium ions, the flame is purple, or we call it lilac flame. Is it okay? You have observed. In the second, let me put a tick, the one we have done with. Then also, I put aside a solution containing potassium ion, I put aside. Then I take a solution containing sodium ions. Is it okay? Then I dip in another clean glass rod. I stir a bit. Then after that, I have to hit now on the flame. Let all of us now concentrate on this one. Which color of flame is this? Yellow. You can observe the yellow flame, very clear. These are yellow flame for sodium ions. A yellow flame for sodium ions. A yellow flame for sodium ions. I think it is enough. So I put aside. Then we have found out that a solution containing sodium ion, you will observe or you will see a yellow flame, and that one you have seen. So I put a tick. Like that. Then we move on to a solution containing calcium ions. but calcium ions, we expect to see a red flame. Let us see if that is the case. So these are solution containing calcium ions, a solution containing calcium ions. So what I do, I take a glass rod, then I dip into this solution containing calcium ion like this. Then I hit on the Bunsen burner flame like this. So we expect to see a red flame. We expect to see a red flame. Are you able to see? The flame is very red. That is a red flame for the presence of calcium ion. I can even repeat the same calcium ions. I can even repeat the same calcium ion, then continue making observation. Are you seeing the red flame? Yes, you see a red flame. You can be able to see a red flame. It is very clear, a red flame. You can be able to see a red flame, indicating the presence of calcium ions. So, thereafter, I have to put a tick because we have observed that calcium ion burns with a red flame. Is it okay? Thank you. Let me now go to the last one, a solution containing copper 2 ions. So we have said that for the case of the copper ions, the flame must be a green flame. Is it okay? Let me now take another clean glass rod. Then I take a solution containing copper 2 ions. Then I dip in this clean glass rod like this. Then thereafter, I now hit on the flame and observe the color of the flame. We expect to see a green flame. So let us observe and see if we can be able to observe a green flame. Of course, you can see the green flame, indicating the presence of copper 2 ions. Indicating the presence of copper 2 ions. I can repeat it again with another glass rod, although you have already observed. A green flame, copper 2 ion present. A green flame, indicating the presence of copper 2 ions present. So that's all about the 4 cations. So we have confirmed that if potassium ions are present, the flame will be purple or lilac. Then sodium ions, yellow flame. Then for calcium ions, red flame. Then copper ions, a green flame. Thank you very much. We have come to the end of the lesson. Then my student, I'm giving you this assignment. Go and test for the flame containing magnesium ion. Then when we meet in the next lesson, I'll get the feedbacks. May God bless you. Thank you.